Welcome to lesson 1 in this series of lessons on how to play arpeggios for piano exams. This lesson is a little longer than most, but by the end of it you'll have 12 arpeggios, 6 in each hand, and you'll be ready to learn how to play them hands together in lesson 2. Also, in this video I won't be showing you how the arpeggios are written. All that material is available to see on your screen and to print at the website. So, without any further ado, let's get playing. This is the 1 octave arpeggio we've been used to in grade 1. Our challenge is to develop this into a 2 octave arpeggio, like that. The fingering, as you'll see if you've printed the material out, is pom, rabbit ears, and, thumbs under, rabbit ears, pom. Rabbits on the way down, thumb, rabbits, pom. You'll see I'm not bothering with numbers, and you'll realise that that's a good idea when we get into lesson 2. Rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, top note. Rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, thumb. But the awkward bit is getting the thumb under. You can make it easier for yourself by allowing the whole arm to twist very slightly so that you approach with the elbow almost in the air. So allow your elbow to move away from the side of your body. And just practice 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, as a little warm-up exercise. And then thumb, rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit, thumb, rabbit ears, and rabbit, and rabbit ears, and rabbit. So we're aiming the thumb at C, and it just gets us used to this particular feeling in the hand. You'll feel a bit of a stretch to start with, and you can take it from the top, 5th finger on C, rabbit ears, and 3, and do it from the other direction. And then from the bottom again. Thumb, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears, thumb, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears. And from the top, rabbit ears and rabbit with a 3rd finger. Just so that you're getting used to that particular stretch where you've got the 3 and the thumb, 3 on G and thumb on C. And it is quite a stretch for even large hands, but it is well worth warming yourself up. And then it's a matter of going pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears, pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears, pom. For the left hand, the same process can be tried to develop your finger flexibility. Start at the top of the arpeggio, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. C, G, E, C, E, G, C. So you're doing the back to front version of the arpeggio you learned for grade 1, starting at the top, going to the bottom. And get used to that shape. And now we're going to modify it. Instead of using the little finger, we're going to use the thumb underneath. So again, we are doing pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears, rabbit ears, rabbit ears, with the thumb moving from one C to the other, and the rabbit ears on G and E. And again, you'll see that I'm avoiding using finger numbers. There's no need to use 2 and 3 when we can use rabbit ears or just rabbits as shorthand as in the script. And now we're going to go one note further by taking the index finger onto G below. Pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears. Pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears. Rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Just to get used to the twisty shape, and again you'll see my hand isn't static. I'm allowing my elbow to lift out as I do that little journey. It's actually easier in the left hand than it is in the right hand. And now we can take it from the bottom of the arpeggio and do the same sort of thing. Start with a 1 octave C major arpeggio from grade 1 and throw the 3rd finger over the top to E. Pom, rabbit ears, and rabbit ears. Rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Rabbit ears and rabbit ears. And you are by now very capable of doing the full 2 octave range like this. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, 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 pom. There we have the 2 octave C major arpeggio, and we can use exactly the same shape of the hands now we have that established. If we move our thumb and 5th finger down to A, we can create the A minor 2 octave arpeggio. Same script on A, C, E, pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom. And it will not surprise you by now to know that by moving the fingers 1 note down, so thumb and 5 are on G, I get my G major 2 octave arpeggio. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom. if I put my hands back on C and now move up a note, I'll get D minor. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Up one note. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, pom. And up one more note to F. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. There we have the C major, 2-octave arpeggio, and you'll know by now that just by moving the fingers down, finger and thumb, little finger and thumb down to A, we'll get the A minor. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Remembering to keep the wrist nice and loose and flexible. Moving the 5 and 1 to G, we get G major. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears, rabbit ears. Moving down to 5 on F and thumb on F. Get F major. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Moving down one note to E, E minor. Pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. And down once more to D, pom, rabbit ears and rabbit ears, rabbit ears and rabbit ears. Congratulations! You should now be quite confident that you can move on to lesson 2, but if not, don't worry. Just work through this lesson once more and make sure you practice what you've learned carefully. See you soon.